Here at History Evan Reviews, we are here to review anything and everything that comes your way and our way. We even do requests. Today, we are doing a review of the Simple Human 1.5 liters or 0.4 US gallons of a countertop trash can. This is great, as the back of the box shows. Sorry, I flubbed my word. This is great, as the back of the box shows a use for this contraption. You can put, it doesn't have to be just a trash can. You can use this to keep your fruits and vegetables that you cut up very nice, very safe, very moist. I mean, it won't stay moist forever. But you can use it for that little storage for a few moments, maybe 30 minutes to an hour before they start to dry out due to the air and stuff. It's called the Countertop Trash Can. It's stainless steel, and now this side of the box is different. It's 1.5 liters, 0.4 US gallons, 0.3 UK gallons. I don't know why the metric system changes so much. It's ridiculous. Made by the Simple Human Company, assembled in Taiwan. www.simplehuman.com. Balanced swing lid. Center-weighted swing lid opens easily, then gently swings back into place. Fingerprint-proof stainless steel, 5-year warranty. So I'm guessing it was $10 to $30. I got this from me mother. It was a gift that she got that she didn't want. And she said that I could sell it or I could keep it. And I'm probably going to keep it because I really need a trash can for all me bubblegum wrappers. So let's unbox this thing. Those were all the details. And a lot of people get mad that Job and I go into detail. Well, that's our point. We don't want people to ask. We want people to ask questions, but we don't want them to watch a review and not understand what something is or does. And this thing I thought was going to be small. It is big. It is like one of Job's whey protein shake canisters. This thing is bigger than I thought it was. So it is perfect for people, maybe even for pet stuff. If you want to put like a tennis ball, it's multi-purpose. It's for multi-purpose. And it says right there, if you can see it, no fingerprints. So I'm going to try and touch this and see. Oh! It does leave a tiny bit of a fingerprint, but most of the time it just wipes right off. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but you'll see it disappear before your eyes. Yes, you can. See, look at that. Look at that. It disappears. I'm not tricking you. Like, my fingerprint is literally disappearing. Oh my god. That is so cool. And the bottom of it is pure black. It's got a nice black and silver kind of look going on. And it is center weighted. Like, look at that. No matter what you do, it is center weighted. Front to back. You flip it upside down, it spins right back. Would I buy one of these for $20 or $30? No. I would buy a regular trash can. For maybe $5 to $10, of course I would. It's a great deal. And basically, the stuff says the exact same thing. It looks like a giant, obese coffee mug. Like, if a fatty went to go get some coffee, instead of getting a regular coffee mug, that fatty would buy this and just use it. But let me see if I can test it out with some actual trash. Like this bubble wrap here. Yes. Yes, it works. Works perfectly. So it has enough room inside of it for one piece of bubble wrap. That's really, really awesome. You accidentally throw something away, you pull it right out. It's amazing. Oh, and there's also something in here lining it. 5-year warranty, a simple promise by the Simple Humans, because God knows we have enough of them. So thank you for this review. I hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these reviews. We all need 1,000 subscribers starting February 21st or 22nd. Thank you for watching.